Hello and welcome to this short video dealing with the design of components suitable for friction stir welding. My name is Heineck. I'm a sales manager for the friction stir welding division at Grenzebach. In this video I would like to highlight supporting of the process force and the minimum required edge distance. Let's start with the process force. The support of the process force is very important for a proper friction stir welding process. Simply put, the guiding principle is that the process force of the tool, respectively, the compressive stress in the workpiece must be fully supported. On the one hand, this can be achieved by an appropriate component design in which the contact surface is equal to or larger than the tool shoulder. If this is not feasible, in terms of design, it is possible to support the process force of the tool, respectively, the compressive stress via seam backing on the device side. When designing the welding path, particular care must be taken to ensure that the distance between the tool shoulder and the other edge of the component is not less than 0.06 inches or 1.5 millimeters, including the entire tolerance chain. This is crucial, since otherwise the material would start to plasticize at the sheet edge. Let me briefly summarize the key takeaways for you. The process force of the tool must be fully supported, and the contact surface should be equal to or larger than the tool shoulder. In addition, the distance between the tool shoulder and the other edge of the component should be more than 0.06 inches or 1.5 millimeters. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me and my colleagues.